Before Azure, we need to send our people to each and every workstation to fix their problem. Right now, with the Azure, I don't need to get into that. So what I need to do is I just I have a dashboard to check everything real time. If they have any problem, they report to us, and real time my IT resource provide that solution to them. So that's the way it is. A kind of that we can take like we save too much of time, productivity time, and help them a lot. So during COVID, nobody has that laptops, nobody has that systems to work during that COVID, and we have a real problem that time to provide all those assets to the people, and they can work from home that time. But while they are working from n number of ISPs outside, and they are not using any human fire or any firewall, because basically they are the only the last line of defense that they are taking care of. All that is started after once we get make people work from home through Azure. We have created those accounts, and we real time we are monitoring all those people, that what they are doing basically. In a word, if you can say that, it's just a peace of mind. So because we have onboarded all those things, earlier we had to do multiple of things. Right now, in this premises, we have made a first serverless environment with the help of this Azure, right? We have no servers in the office, right? Earlier we have n number of servers there, the domain controller and the backup domain controller and the other services we should have. Like recently, we have recently done that integration in two parts. One is for the old legacy system, that is ESSL. So earlier we should have a basic server that has to be placed here, and what we need to do is we need to sync every data. We should have different databases that need to be synced, and then the data is showing up in your one of the dashboard, where you can see that for the attendance purpose. So recently we have integrated that ESL system to Azure, and that is the provision is provided by the Azure only. The integration is so seamless, like you just need to just make sure the ESSL API to API connection has been made, and that's working very well. And another example, that is for the Zoho people. So we are currently using Zoho for the HR tool and other tools, payrolls as well. So that integration also a seamless thing, that because this is a single sign-on what we have integrated with both that technologies, and they are getting all those data real time. Earlier, what we have a scenario, like if someone from the operation side, they went or with the laptop and they are having some issues with that, we are not able to solve those things. But right now, if they are connected with that Azure server, we can take a remote and real time. We can even wipe out things. If some, on the other hand, if you say, I'm getting you the another example. If by in negative cases, someone absconded with the laptops. So what you can do is we can remotely wipe it out everything in that laptop for the data security perspective. In earlier scenario, what we need to do is once we need to onboard any resource to production, we have to do n number of things to taking their license. We need to ready their systems, we need to ready their each and everything, or the software, which I suppose if one system requires like 15 or 20 software that has to be there in that system, because they need to file those process in that particular software. So they need to always IT people has to do that configuration for all those things. But once Azure came into picture through the Intune, basically a software which is provided by the tool which is provided by Microsoft, they basically helps to automatically download all those things and we can put on one look in the one repository over there, and they automatically get downloaded those things, and IT has nothing to do with that. So it saves around 2 hours of time for a system, a single system only. As of now, if in the if I can put myself on the old scenario, I need 15 people to take care of all those things, but right now we have 5 people to take care of all those things. On the decision making, we always put because the market is there are 100 number of solutions out there, and you can't figure it out which solution is good for environment, how people will take care of. Because first thing is first is whatever the solution you are getting from the market, are is your operation people are convenient to use with that, with the software, they can use that software very well. The best one I really like about the Azure, the Intune business premium services, because it gets you everything, whatever you need, whatever the operation needs from any operation from the market. We have connected through TTL since 2008, right? We are using their ILL service, we are using their VoIP and other things, right? And recently we have added Microsoft things through TTL. So
Yeah.
what is best at my side, if I can see that I don't need to go to various places, to various vendors to provide me that solution. It's just a one vendor, I just request, and I get that service. I get one
Nice.
bill for that, and I just pay them. If I have some concern, I have a single point of contact where I need to contact them. And if if you are looking for a solution, I get some good resource to get this proposed solution in place in real time. So in that scenario, iManage provides you, just you can go iManage, just log in into iManage, just report that problem. If you have a screenshot and all, if you have details of the problem, you can mention it there, and you will get call from particular department only. So that's, they have just removed that, the particular calling thing. So it's good at that. And another thing, from the iManage, I can see my bandwidth, I can see my the number of bills generated, I can see real time how many payments we have done. So all these things on a single dashboard. With the TTSL, I am having that kind of a reliability trust in that we have taken that service, and it's good. Some of the flaws are there, but I know there is a way to fix it.